The biogeochemical water cycle. General trends and patterns in all biogeochemical cycles. Energy flows through an ecosystem and is dissipated as heat, but chemical elements are recycled. The ways in which an element, or compound such as water, moves between its various living and non-living forms and locations in the biosphere is called a biogeochemical cycle. Methods of transfer inside the biogeochemical water cycle. How the biogeochemical water cycle interacts with carbon. Biogeochemical cycle. Our BGC cycle, water cycle, interacts with the carbon cycle. Both of these cycles are nutrient cycles. Both of them use plants as an integral component, meaning that they complement the cycles. Both cycles use the surface as a long-term storage. The water cycle uses plants so that water can be sent to an atmosphere, and the carbon cycle uses plants to clean the air from carbon dioxide and then release clean air to the atmosphere. The water entering the subsurface creates groundwater and it can be stored for a long time. The carbon, as a difference, stores in rocks for long terms. In conclusion, they are both very important for control life on Earth, for transport. How is our chemical used in life processes? The water cycle is very important in Earth because 2/3 rds of Earth's surface is water. Biotic factors are approximately composed by 70% of water. Big quantities of water are also in Earth's atmosphere, for example, oceans, lakes, rivers, etc. The water cycle is dominated by the oceans, where 96% of the water on Earth is found and where 86% of global evaporation occurs. The Environmental Literacy Council. Basically, everything in Earth revolves around water. Water is one of the most important components in the world for biotic and abiotic factors to exist. In conclusion, the water cycle is profoundly important because it shapes our weather and climate, help plants to grow, which is extremely important because plants clean the carbon dioxide that we make, and it basically makes life possible. Food webs. How do they work? Food webs are the ways of representing the connections between food chains and the lines the energy and water travels through organisms. A food web shows the different ways animals are connected. An example of how one would work in your biogeochemical cycle.